Hi, welcome back. I just got done filming my used book monthly, but we're going to move on and go to GeekGear, which I am much happier with. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, I'm Tish, and sometimes I complain, but we're going to get over it. This is June's box. They ship from the UK. It is £19.99 a month. Is that it? Or was it £24.99? I don't know. All I know is it ends up being like $40 to $45 on my end because of the exchange rate. Now, the reason it takes so long is because they ship it to the Netherlands. The Netherlands holds it in customs for 2 weeks. And then they ship it and it ends up in Chicago. And then Chicago keeps it for 2 weeks. I believe that's because they're quarantining packages that come from overseas. At least that's what I'd like to believe, because otherwise, boo. So that ends up being about $10 an item in the box, because I am guaranteed to get 2 short-sleeved t-shirts, 1 long-sleeved t-shirt, as well as another item, a wearable item. So last month, no, May's box, I received a woman's large, and that was my mistake, because that's what I put. I then turned around and changed it, but apparently I didn't change it fast enough, because what I received for June's box is also a woman's large, and that's not going to fit. So I have now spent $80 on shirts I can't wear. Okay. However, this is not about my mistake. This is about what's in the box. Alright, so every month they give you the little information sheet. And they give you a creator spotlight and a clue for next month. They give you a scratch card, which I know I did receive, but I opened it because, you know, I'm impatient and I think I lost the card. So the shirts are really good quality. They are not extremely stretchy or thin. They're a nice thick material. So some of these shirts might work, but they're really tight around the arms and the girls, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to wear them. I think we're going to take it by a case by case basis. All right, the first shirt is the long sleeve shirt, and that is Fox. The next shirt is short sleeve, and that is the Durmstrang shirt. And it's kind of disappointing because I really, really, really love Harry Potter, and I wanted the shirts to wear. And here we have the 4 houses. Now, I might be able to use these at like night. I don't know if I'm going to feel very comfortable going out in public with them on. And this one is a necklace, and that is a thestral. That's really cool. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but I actually might wear this, you know, because it's actually pretty cool. And it's kind of a dark color, which I like. Oh, and it's not too long. Not too short, not too long. Comes to about there. That I'm kind of in love with. So I have canceled the box, but not because the service is bad and not because I don't like the products. I canceled the box because I have a closet full of nothing but t-shirts, and I'm running out of room. And I'm not seeing any of the t-shirts that are already there that I would want to get rid of. So I don't need a bunch of t-shirts. I have a whole armoire full of clothes. I have a closet full of clothes. I have another dresser that has 2 drawers just for socks. I might have an issue with socks, but that's not today's subject. And I don't want to end up with the dresser full of t-shirts as well. I have so many clothes. I literally just got rid of tons of clothes. I don't need anymore. As much as I really, really want Harry Potter stuff. I don't need it. That, and with it being the $40, that's money that I could put into my channel for other addictions, like my Lele Posh collection. It's not a problem, I promise. Anyways, so that is what we got for June GeekGear Wizardry Wearables. They have shipped my July box. I do not know how long that is going to take. And I will leave the link for their company in the description, because I did have a great experience with them, and they are a great company. You just have to be aware of the shipping issues with everything that's going on. They're going to quarantine on both ends, which means that you're going to get stuff that's clearly not infected. So that's a good thing. All right. So I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I am totally forgetting to tell everybody to like, comment, and subscribe. But have an amazing day. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.